Welcome to this update today. We are mainly talking about the severe wind threat for parts of Tennessee, North Carolina, and other areas nearby. So there will be a lot of wind in those areas that might cause some trouble because the winds will arrive in parts of the drought-stricken regions and in parts of the Appalachian Mountains before the rain arrives. So these areas will be so dry that these winds can cause wildfires, and even at night the winds will be very strong and there can be nocturnal fires. So this is very concerning. First, let's look here at the winds 1 mile above our heads. There will be a time of day that they will be very strong in parts of Tennessee and in other areas. Now let's see the wind gusts. There's a potential for more than 60 miles per hour winds or higher in some parts of the higher elevations of the Appalachian Mountains, and this can cause some wind problems, and the main threat is the wildfires that can spread with these winds. So here's the fire outlook. It's elevated for those regions, so stay safe. And now let's see what the severe weather looks like for today and tomorrow. So for tomorrow they have put out a slight risk with 5% chance of tornadoes, and tomorrow we'll probably make another update about that. And today it's still an enhanced risk with a slight and a marginal risk. So this enhanced risk hasn't changed yet. The tornado probabilities are still very high, but if something changes, we'll make a quick video to update. Now, there's just one more thing we want to mention is the tropics in the Atlantic. There's currently 2 areas of investigation. One is in the middle of the ocean, but it has a higher chance of forming into a subtropical or tropical system. And there's one with a low chance in the Caribbean. And we'll keep monitoring all those things for you. Thank you for watching.